Are you passionate about helping others and fascinated by human communication? Do you want to make a meaningful difference in people's lives? If so, a career as a speech-language pathologist might be the perfect fit for you. In today's video, we'll explore what speech-language pathologists do, the education required, salary expectations, career outlook, and some valuable advice for aspiring professionals. Stay tuned to learn more about this rewarding and in-demand career. Speech-language pathologists, or SLPs, are highly trained professionals who assess, diagnose, and treat communication and swallowing disorders in individuals of all ages. They work with a wide range of speech, language, voice, fluency, and cognitive issues. They might help children with developmental delays, support individuals with neurological impairments, or assist adults with acquired speech and language difficulties. SLPs create personalized treatment plans and use diverse therapeutic techniques such as computer games and virtual reality to improve clients' communication skills and overall quality of life. They often collaborate with other professionals like occupational therapists, physical therapists, psychologists, and audiologists. And they play a vital role in supporting clients' families by providing education and guidance to enhance therapy outcomes. An SLP's daily experience is both varied and rewarding. They work in different settings, including schools, hospitals, rehabilitation centers, and private practices. A typical day starts with reviewing client files, planning therapy sessions, and setting individualized goals. During sessions, SLPs engage clients in targeted activities tailored to their specific communication needs. For children, this could involve playing games, singing songs, or using visual aids. For adults, sessions may focus on relearning language skills, practicing conversational techniques, or addressing voice and fluency issues. SLPs also work with clients who have swallowing difficulties, using exercises and strategies to improve function and ensure safe eating. Collaboration, documentation, and continuous professional development are essential aspects of an SLP's daily experience. Despite the challenges, many SLPs find their work highly rewarding as they witness the positive impact they have on clients' lives and their growth in communication abilities. So, what does it take to become an SLP? The educational journey begins with a bachelor's degree in a related field like communication sciences and disorders, linguistics, psychology, or education. Next, you'll need to pursue a master's degree in speech-language pathology from an accredited program. These programs take 2 to 3 years to complete and include academic coursework and hands-on clinical experience. You'll cover topics such as speech and language development, assessment and diagnosis, treatment methods, and research principles. Clinical practicums allow you to gain supervised experience working with clients across different age groups and settings. After completing your master's degree, you'll need to obtain supervised clinical hours, typically through a clinical fellowship, to be eligible for licensure and certification. In the United States, SLPs must pass the Praxis exam in speech-language pathology and meet additional state-specific requirements to become licensed practitioners. Obtaining the Certificate of Clinical Competence in Speech-Language Pathology, or CCC-SLP, from ASHA is also highly recommended. Continuing education is crucial to maintaining licensure, staying up to date with advancements in the field, and adhering to best practices. Many SLPs pursue specialized certifications or doctoral degrees to further enhance their expertise and career opportunities. Speech-language pathologists can expect competitive compensation and opportunities for financial growth. Salaries vary based on factors like geographical location, years of experience, and work setting. On average, an entry-level SLP in the United States can expect to earn about $60,000 per year. With experience and specialization, salaries can increase significantly, with some SLPs earning $100,000 annually. Those working in hospitals or rehabilitation centers may earn higher salaries compared to those in schools or private practice. Geographical location also impacts earnings, with higher salaries typically found in urban areas or states with a higher cost of living. The career outlook for speech-language pathologists is promising, with a strong demand for their service across various settings. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 25% growth in employment for SLPs between 2019 and 2029, which is much faster than the average for all other occupations. This growth is driven by factors such as increased awareness of speech and language disorders, an aging population requiring speech therapy for age-related conditions, and early intervention initiatives. If you're considering a career as a speech-language pathologist, here's some advice to help you succeed. Develop a genuine passion for helping others and a strong interest in communication and language. Research accredited graduate programs and seek opportunities to shadow or volunteer with practicing SLPs to gain insights into the profession. Cultivate strong interpersonal, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, as they are vital for building rapport with clients and creating effective treatment plans. Stay informed about the latest research and advancements in the field and consider specializing in areas that match your interests. Be prepared for continuous learning as the field evolves and new methods and technologies emerge, which will contribute to your professional growth and success. A career as a speech-language pathologist is both challenging and rewarding, offering the opportunity to make a profound impact on the lives of individuals with communication and swallowing disorders. With a strong educational foundation, a commitment to ongoing professional development, and a passion for helping others, you can embark on a fulfilling and in-demand career as an SLP. If you're excited about the prospect of becoming a speech-language pathologist, we encourage you to take the first steps towards this rewarding career. Good luck, and remember that your passion, dedication, and hard work can make a world of difference in the lives of those you serve. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the exciting and meaningful career of a speech-language pathologist. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and we'll do our best to address them. Until next time, take care and keep chasing your dreams.